That is part of the new culture na pagpakuha natin ng kahit ano. Kasi propose nila. Tignan mo ako, nakasama ako dito sa team na ang tawag natin sa Pilipinas, we are the selfie capital of the world, di ba? Hindi nag-selfie, hindi mo naman pigilan ng tao na nakapag-ngiti. They just had a selfie. I don't think there's much more to do. Selfie sila.
But sir, now that Alice goes in custody, what do you want to hear from her? Or what do you expect?
Those are two very different questions. What I want to hear from her is for her to lay out exactly how this purpose became such a large, it's basically a criminal enterprise. And as mayor, for her to say she did not know this was going on, it's very difficult to believe. Because as a former local government executive, it seems impossible that an operation that is a few hundred meters away from my own office, hindi ko alam yung nangyayari doon, illegal na ganitong kalaki na operation. But kaya sana may paliwanag niya kung bakit hindi niya alam. Paano bilang isang mayor na hindi niya malaman kung ano yung nangyayari doon sa bayan niya. Ganyan kalaki na problema. Tapos marami pa siyang kasagutin. Paano siya yumaman ng ganyan? Maganda ko ng problema. Paano siya naging mayor na hindi naman siya kilala ng tingin. All of these things. All these questions have actually been asked. Why both the House and the Senate? I just hope she answers it better than her cohorts. Sina Cassandro at saka sina Sino. Very evasive makasagot. Sana naman maputi-puti ang sagot ni Alisto sa mga niya. Because it will not help her at all to be evasive. Mas bibigat ang magiging problema niya kung hindi siya magsabi.